Welcome to the motorhome era. Today, we're diving into the Niesmann+Bischoff Arto 7A2026, a compact luxury motorhome that combines European design, high-end comfort, and mobility in one stylish package. Unlike larger Class A motorhomes, the Arto 78 is perfect for couples or small families who want the luxury and functionality of a premium RV without compromising on ease of driving or parking. The exterior of the Arto 78 is sleek and aerodynamic, with clean lines, polished, metallic surfaces, and panoramic windows that enhance both aesthetics and natural lighting inside. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the elegant living area with leather seating, wood accents, and ambient lighting, creating a cozy yet sophisticated environment. The dining space is functional and stylish, ideal for meals or socializing during your journey. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, polished countertops, and smart storage solutions, perfect for preparing meals on the go. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with panoramic views, soft lighting, and high-quality finishes that ensure restful sleep. The bathroom is spa-inspired, with a walk-in shower, premium fixtures, and ample space, bringing a touch of indulgence to life on the road. The Arto 78 includes slide-outs that expand the living space when parked, providing extra comfort without increasing its overall footprint. Storage compartments are intelligently designed to maximize space, and advanced cockpit technology ensures that driving is effortless and enjoyable. Its compact size, combined with premium chassis engineering, makes it perfect for maneuvering through tight streets or scenic routes, offering the ultimate combination of mobility and luxury. From entertainment systems to high-capacity batteries and off-grid capabilities, the Niesmann+Bischoff Arto 78 2026 delivers a high, comfortable, and stylish travel experience. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a long-term journey, this motorhome makes every trip enjoyable and memorable. In summary, the Arto 78 blends European elegance, innovative design, and practical functionality, making it an ideal choice for travelers seeking the luxury motorhome lifestyle in a compact, manageable package. For those who want style, comfort, and mobility, the Niesmann+Bischoff Arto 782 2026 sets a new benchmark for premium compact motorhome